Okay, let's start while waiting for August because our time is running, running fast, very fast. So today, everybody, we will be discussing about mathematics, and I can still hear noise because some students are also joining. So make sure, everyone, that you have your pencil, notebook, and textbook, workbook today because you're going to use them. We are going to use them, especially textbook. Now, let us review our lesson. I want to speak with Chalisara. Chalisara, please unmute your microphone. I will ask you something. What was our lesson? I mean, previous lesson. Chalisara, we talk about, we talk about,
We talk about math.
okay, very good. Thank Mute your microphone again. I want to speak to Bang. Okay, Bang, can you tell me what have you learned from previous lesson? What did you learn from our previous lesson? What did we learn or you learn? We learned about maths, right? But what else? We learned about,
We learn about relationship between units of mass.
okay. What else? We also talk about, okay, we will give time for Bang. How about Mickey? Do you have any idea? What did you learn? Or what did we learn?
We learn about choosing operating tools, estimate mass in
Okay.
kilograms and feet, and
Mm-hmm.
relationship between units of mass.
Okay, very good, Mickey. Yes. So first that we talked about last time was about the three weighing scales. What are the three weighing scales? Tommy, me, can you hear me? What are the three weighing scales? Oh, let's have Satang. Satang want to help.
Bedroom scale.
Bathroom scale. What else? What else?
Spring scale.
And
Platform.
very good. So there are weighing scales. Class. Here are these are the examples. Okay, you have the bathroom scale, the kitchen scale, and the platform scale. Very good, Satang. I will mute you now. So same as with your classmate. Now we also talk about the relationships between the units of mass. 1 metric ton equals 1,000 kilogram. Then 1 kilogram equals 1,000 gram. 1 kilogram equals 10 kid or 10 hectogram or 10 kid. And 1 hectogram equals 1 kid. So we discussed this one last time. And I'm pretty sure you know this one because you were able to answer your workbook perfectly. Now let's read the vocabularies again. We will have tawakorn. Can you hear me? Please unmute your microphone for me. Everybody listen. Tawakorn, I want you to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Read them. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mass, wedge, measure, estimate, scales, bathroom scales, kitchen scales.
Very good. Now we will have another student to read 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We will have Faro. Faro, please read 8 to 13. Go. We're having problem hearing Faro, right? It's okay. Let's go to Syria. Syria, please read 8 to 13. Go.
From scale, metric ton, kilograms, kid, hectograms, grams.
Very good. So those are the vocabulary that we learned last time also, right? Now this time, please get your notebook. We will have spelling test, 10 words. Everybody, 2 minutes to prepare. Please get your notebook and pencil. We will have spelling test. We only have 10 minutes left. Hurry up. 10 minutes left for this one, and we will have another class later. Numbers 1 to 10. Everybody, hurry up.
Teacher, I will come back.
Where are you going? Who's that? All right, are you guys ready? Please do like this if you're ready. Thumbs up. Please thumbs up if you're ready. No cheating, okay? Make sure you should try your best on your own. Do not look at your book. Number 1, spell the word mass. Again, number 1, mass. Number 2, weight. Spell the word weight. Number 3, measure. Number 3, measure. Number 4, estimate. Please spell the word estimate. Number 4 is estimate. Number 5, scale. I mean scales with S. Scale. Number 6, metric ton. Number 6, metric ton. Seven, kilogram. 7 kilogram. Spell the word kilogram. Number 8, kid. Number 8, kid. Number 8, kid. Number 9, pictogram. Number 9, pictogram. Number 9, pictogram. Number 10 is gram. Number 10 is gram. Okay, class, we only have 4 minutes left. We will check your work or your answers. Are you guys ready? Please do like this if you're ready. Thumbs up. Thumbs up if you're finished or done. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Come on, Rat. Thumbs up. No more time. Time is up. Check your own answers again because you don't have seatmate there. Look at the screen. Done. Number 1 is mass. Spells M-A-S-S. Mass. Number 2, weight. Weight spells W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. Number 3, measure spells M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Measure. Number 4, estimate spells E-S-T-I-M-A-T-E. Again, E-S-T-I-M-A-T-E. Number 5 is scales. Very easy. S-C-A-L-E-S. Scales. And number 6 is metric ton. Metric ton. METRIC space TON. Metric ton. 7 is kilogram. Spells KILOGRAM. Kilogram. Number 8 is kid. KHEED. 9 HECTOGRAM. 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 And last number is gram. GRAM. All right. If you're done checking, take a photo after the class and then send it to me online.
Wow, so how to show?
Are you done? Count 1 to 10, okay? Because our time is running. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Again, don't forget to send me your scores later because I'm going to record your scores. Let's now start our lesson, everybody. Listen to me. First lesson is about comparing masses. And what is it? What is this? Do you know what is heavy? Do you know what is light? Anybody? Raise your hand if you want to answer. How about gun? Do you know what is heavy? Gun. Do you know what is heavy? Do you know what is heavy?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. How about light? You know what is light? Gun, I'm talking to you. Do you know what is light? Do you know what is light?
Yes.
What is light? Can you show me something?
Um,
Oh my.
pen.
10 is light. How about heavy? Can you give me example? What is heavy?
Ship.
Ship. Oh, very good. Okay. Let's watch this video for your classmate to understand what is heavy or what is light.
Heavy, heavy, a dumbbell is heavy. Light, light, a paper is light. Heavy, heavy, a chair is heavy. Light, light, a pencil is light. Come on along and sing this song, and you can get it right. What is heavy and what is light? If I say something that's heavy, move around like it's heavy. And if I say something that's light, move around like it's light. An elephant is heavy. A balloon is light. A bowling ball is heavy. A tennis ball is light.
Okay. I want to One A, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, I can.
Okay, you understand now what is heavy? A.
ได้แล้ว
Can you give me example of heavy things or something heavy? Give me example. Monique,
Yes.
me example of heavy.
Heavy, 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 heavy.
Being heavy.
Happy. Elephant, elephant.
Elephant. Good. Satang, give me example of
I can't hear you.
again. Give me example of light. Light.
Pencil.
Very good. Pencil is light. Now that is our first lesson is about heavy and light or comparing mass. For example, in this one, everybody, can you mute your microphone, please? I'm hearing background sound. Okay,
Okay.
mute now,
And mute
mute.
now. Mute now. No, no.
You can hear very loud sound in the background. Yeah.
Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Hold one is
Who's talking? My turn? Is
or
that you?
6 kilo. Yes.
I will mute you.
มันเปิดเองนี่แหละ
Oh, sweet.
มันแค่ไปดู
Okay, class, our first lesson is about comparing mass. For example, which is heavier, the bag of pasta or the bag of sweet corn? Based on the picture, Chalisara, which is heavier? Chalisara, which is heavier? The bag of
Sweet corn is
okay,
heavier.
why? Why that's is that I mean why the bag of sweet corn?
because
What's the mass of the bag of sweet corn?
because it's 6 kilogram 800 grams.
I see. Okay. Yes, you're right. So the mass of the bag, the mass of the bag of pasta is 3,300 gram only, right? While the bag of sweet corn is 6,800 gram. Why am I doing this? I make this to, I make kilogram to gram because when you will do like this, you will know which is the bigger number. So as you can see, 6,800 grams is greater than 3,300 grams. So the bag of sweet corn is heavier than the bag of pasta, right? But the question is, what is the difference? So let's have the example once again. The bag of sweet corn and the bag of pasta. You have 3,300 and the bag of sweet corn is 6,800, right? Now, if you're going to minus 6,800 gram and 3,300 gram, you will have 3,500 gram. Excuse me, hold on. All right. So now you can say that the bag of pasta is 3,500 grams lighter than the bag of sweet corn. That's why we do minus or we do subtraction, right? On the other hand, the bag of sweet corn is 3,500 grams heavier than the bag of pasta. So this is you're going to do in your workbook or in your textbook too. You're going to subtract so that you will know how much lighter it is or how much heavier it is. Let's try another example. I get this one from your book, by the way. Which one is heavier or lighter? The ship or this one, this thing? We call it shipping container. Okay, again, this one is the shipping container. This one is the ship. Now, let me talk to him. Where is him? Let me check if you're listening. Him, can you tell me which one is heavier and which one's lighter? Him, mute your microphone first. I mean, unmute. Which one is heavier? Which one is lighter?
Ship.
Ship is what? Is it lighter or
Ship
heavier?
is lighter than shipping container.
Okay, very good. That's a very good observation. Now, let's go. The mass of the ship is one ton or metric ton and 882 kilogram, right? Which is the same when we say 1,882 kilogram. Okay. The other side, the mass of the shipping container, that is shipping container class, is 3,000 metric ton and 980 kilogram, which is equivalent or equal to 3,980 kilogram. You understand, Tommy? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. What a fast learner. Now, if you're going to minus again, let's do subtraction here. You will get 2098. Okay? You will get 2098. Now, you can say that the shipping container is 2098 kilogram heavier than the ship. And the ship is 2098 kilogram lighter than the shipping container. Okay? Buticorn, you understand? Buticorn,
Yes.
Buticorn. Oh, very good. So all you have to do is to minus or to do subtraction. Everybody, all you have to do is to do subtraction. So you will see how much lighter or how much heavier something is. Let's practice, everybody. Let's try this example. The basket of fruits weighs 16 kilogram and 400 gram. And the basket of hazelnuts weighs 4,600 grams. So you have there the picture, right? So which is heavier? And what is the difference in mass between them? Mickey, you have question? No?
Yes.
You have question?
ที่เธอถาม
Do you have question? Mickey, do you have question? Yes or no?
Yes.
What's your question?
Do do it you in the textbook or not?
This one, this is an example in your textbook. Yeah, you can write this one
Do
in your
teachers?
textbook later, okay? Let me explain first, okay? Listen first. Now, the mass of the basket of fruits is 16 kilogram and 400 gram. Let's do conversion, which is equivalent to 16,400 gram. So class, this is the process. You need to make kilogram to gram first. Well, the mass of the basket of hazelnuts is 4,000 gram.
4,600 gram
ก็คือสิบ
minus
กิโล
กัน
กรัมกับ600 กรัม
อืม
Okay. So as you can see, it's very easy that, yeah, when you solve this one here, the basket of fruits is heavier, right, than the basket of hazelnuts. So your answer for letter A will be the basket of fruits is heavier than the basket. A. While for letter B, we're going to minus because the question, what is the difference between the basket of fruits and the basket of hazelnuts, right? So here you have 16,400 gram for the basket of fruits, and for the basket of hazelnuts is 4,600 gram, right? If you're going to subtract them, you will get 11,000 gram. Now, who can tell me the answer for letter B? Who can make the sentence? Anybody? Please mute, unmute your microphone if you know the answer. Anyone?
The difference in mass
Okay, what is the
between
difference between? What's that? Yes, Atang, try. Unmute your microphone.
the difference in mass between them is 11,800 gram.
Very good. Or you can say,
อ๋อ11
yeah,
กิโล
that's right. The difference in mass between them is 11,800 gram. You understand? I hope you're listening. Unicorn, what happened to your camera? Why you are upside down?
No.
Turn your cell phone. Turn it. Okay, let's continue class. Let me see if how many minutes we have left. Hold on. Okay, that's how you compare. You're going to answer page 167 on your textbook later on, okay? Remember this one. After our class, you will practice answering page 167. Since we still have enough time, let us proceed to solving word problem. Okay? Our second lesson is about solving word problem. Now, there are steps we need to follow in solving word problem. Number one is understand the problem. You need to understand the problem, okay? Number two, know the operation, meaning if it is subtraction, addition, or multiplication or division. Number three, solve the problem or the problem. There are only 3 steps to solve word problem. Let's have example number 1. Fern, please read example number 1. Unmute your microphone first.
Yumi used 4 kilograms 50 grams of sugar. Now she is left with
Left with
five
five
5,350 grams of sugars. How much sugar did Yumi have at the beginning in grams?
Okay, very good. Yumi used 4 kilogram and 50 grams sugar. Now she's left with 5,350 grams of sugar. How much sugar did Yumi have at the beginning in grams? So you need to solve the problem, the problem in grams. So working, you have 4 kilogram and 50 gram. So class, in here, you need to understand that at the beginning, how much or how much sugar. So you need to use addition, right? And it should be like this. Now, by Fern, can you solve it right away? Can you solve it right away? Yes or no? Can you solve
Yes,
can you solve it right away? Yes or no?
yes.
Are you sure? Not yet, because you need to make this one here, the 4 kilogram and 50 gram into gram, like this one. It is equal to 4,050 gram, right? So this time you can solve now. Yumi used 4,050 gram of sugar, and then she is left with how much? 5,350 gram of sugar. Now, Yumi had 9,400 gram of sugar at the beginning. So all you have to do is you add the two numbers. Okay, 4,050 gram plus 5,350 gram. And then you have 9,400 gram. For your answer, it should be like this. Okay. For your answer, Yumi had 9,400 gram of sugar at the beginning. Okay. That is your answer for this problem. You can find your answer here in the process, right? You had 9,400 gram of sugar at the beginning, and you are going to write this one for your answer. Let's go to the next, to practice. We have the problem here. I want Gun to read the problem. Where is Gun? Is he still here? Gun, read the problem, please.
5 by 14 kilogram 200 gram of chicken meat. He used 3,850 gram of the chicken to cook dinner. How much chicken meat have left?
Okay, have left. Based on the vocabulary that we discussed, Gun, what do you think is the operation that you're going to use here? Is it addition or subtraction? If you understand the problem,
Subtraction.
why? Why subtraction?
Because it have
The
left.
word, okay, the word left, right? You understand it? Now let's try to solve. Working. First one is you have 14 kilogram, 200 gram, right? And then 3,850 gram. So Gun said that we are going to use minus. That is step number 2. Know the operation. We are going to use subtraction here. All right. But Nudi, can we solve this right away? Nudi, unmute your microphone. Can we solve it right away? Nudi, can you hear me? Please unmute your microphone.
Yes.
Okay, can you solve it right away? Yes or no?
No.
Yeah, not yet, right? Who said no? No, Nodi, you need to make this one. You need to make 14 kilogram. Everybody listen here. Point A, 2, come first. It's like this one. Okay, 4,000 gram plus 200 gram, which is equal to 4,200 gram, like this. And then this time you can solve, right? Stack by 4,200 gram of chicken meat in the problem. Look at the problem, Nudi, right? It's the same, but this time it's gram, not kilogram, because you cannot plus kilogram plus gram. You need to have the same gram plus gram. Okay. So he uses 3,850 gram of chicken meat to cook dinner. Then what's the answer? Him. What's the answer? We only have 9 minutes left, by the way. What's the answer for this him?
0 ลบก่อน
It's him is solving.
พ่อไม่มีสมุดทด
What's the answer now?
เออ
Anyone? How about Bang? Do you have the answer now? Or Satang? What's your answer?
There is 10 kilogram and 350 gram.
Okay, let me check also.
10,000
Are you sure 10,000? Is it 10,000?
10,000 อ่านเป็นแกรม
10,000
and
and 350
gram
gram.
Okay, that's right. 10,350 gram of chicken meat left. That's it. So you have now your answer. Just write the last sentence. There is 10,350 gram of chicken meat left. Okay, just follow the process, class. This process is very important so you can answer your workbook perfectly. Okay, let me read it since you only have very limited time. A truck weighs 1 metric ton and 224 kilogram. If the truck is loaded with 450 453 kilograms of gravel, what is the total mass of the truck? So meaning you put something on top of the truck. Truck. So what is the mass? Let's do the working. So as you can see, you have 1 ton and 224 kilogram, and then 453 kilogram. There are only two, right? But then again, you cannot solve the problem yet because you need to change 1 ton and 224 kilogram to kilogram, okay? Which is equal to 1,224 kilogram, right? So again, think that you cannot plus or minus ton, metric ton to kilogram. You should do, or you should make kilogram to kilogram first, just like earlier, just like the example earlier. Now, a truck weighs 1,224 kilogram, right? And then if the truck is loaded with 453 kilogram, this is your final sentence. So all you have to do is to add the mass of the truck and the mass of the gravel. So you will get 1,677 kilograms. For your answer, it's like this. The mass of the truck is 1,677 kilograms. All right. So it's workbook time. You need to answer 124, 125, 126, and 127. After answering, you can send me your answers, okay? So that I will know that you are done or you are finished. That's it. And then thank you so much for listening, not watching, okay?
Goodbye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
So
Thank you.
for now,
Teacher.
we have 3 minutes. We have leader. Where's our leader? She's not here.
Teacher.
Out.
Teacher, what
Yes,
is homework?
I will send to your line, okay? I will send it again to the line group. All right.
Okay.
So let's picture
Okay.
again. Everybody, take picture. Show your
Bye.
face.
Bye
Not yet.
bye.
Not yet.
Bye bye.
Take
Bye
Bye
picture.
bye.
Take picture.
Goodbye, teacher.
bye. Bye bye.
Take picture.
Bye
Ready?
bye, Pami.
One,
Bye bye, Pami. Bye
one,
bye.
one, two. Smile.
Cheese.